What if I told you some of the smartest gadgets of 2026 can save you time, money, and even replace devices you carry every single day? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll discover 17 incredible gadgets that are actually worth your money. And trust me, the #1 pick will completely change the way you think about everyday tech. Olight Baton 4 Premium Edition. Most flashlights are only useful until the battery dies. Then they're just extra weight in your drawer. But the Olight Baton 4 Premium Edition completely changes the game. This pocket-sized powerhouse blasts up to 1,300 lumens, bright enough to light up an entire backyard, campsite, or roadside emergency in seconds. The real magic is its premium charging case, which not only protects the flashlight, but also recharges it multiple times on the go, giving you weeks of dependable power. Whether you're camping, working, or handling unexpected emergencies, this compact gadget is always ready for action. Once you carry it in your pocket, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Theragun Mini sore muscles can ruin your entire day, but the Theragun Mini is like carrying a personal massage therapist in your pocket. Don't let its compact size fool you. This powerful percussion massager delivers deep muscle treatment that helps reduce tension, improve recovery, and ease stiffness in just minutes. Whether you've crushed a workout, spent hours at your desk, or just woke up with a tight neck, this gadget gets the job done fast. It's lightweight enough to take anywhere, yet powerful enough to feel like professional recovery gear. Once you experience the relief it delivers, you'll never want to travel without it. WOLFBOX 3000. A dead battery or flat tire can ruin your day in seconds. But the WOLFBOX 3000A Jumpstarter Plus air compressor is built to save it. This all-in-one emergency gadget can jumpstart powerful gas and diesel engines without needing another vehicle. It also features a built-in air compressor that inflates tires fast, making roadside emergencies far less stressful. Add the bright LED flashlight and USB power bank, and you've got a complete survival kit that fits in your trunk. Whether you're commuting, road tripping, or exploring off the grid, this is one gadget you'll be incredibly thankful to have when things go wrong. Ray-Ban Meta. What if your sunglasses could replace your camera, headphones, and even your AI assistant? That's exactly what the Ray-Ban Meta Gen 2 does. Hidden inside a pair of stylish Ray-Bans is a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera that captures photos and videos completely hands-free. Built-in open-ear speakers let you listen to music and take calls without blocking the world around you, while the integrated Meta AI can answer questions, translate signs, identify landmarks, and give directions using simple voice commands. The craziest part? They look just like regular sunglasses, so nobody realizes you're wearing one of the smartest gadgets of 2026. This isn't just wearable tech, it's a glimpse into the future. Pulsetto vagus nerve stimulator stress has become part of everyday life. But what if you could calm your body with the press of a button? The Pulsetto vagus nerve stimulator is designed to do exactly that. Worn comfortably around your neck, it sends gentle electrical pulses to stimulate the vagus nerve, helping your body relax naturally. In just a few minutes, it can help reduce stress, improve focus, and promote better sleep without relying on medication or caffeine. Whether you're dealing with a demanding job, intense workouts, or everyday anxiety, this futuristic wearable offers a smarter way to recharge. It's one of the most surprising wellness gadgets you'll see in 2026. Sony WH-1000XM6. If you've never experienced true silence, the Sony WH-1000XM6 is about to change that. These premium headphones use next-generation active noise cancellation to block out everything from airplane engines to noisy offices, letting you focus on what actually matters. Inside, powerful drivers deliver rich bass, crystal-clear vocals, and studio-quality sound that makes every song feel alive. With up to 30 hours of battery life, ultra-comfortable ear cushions, and crystal-clear call quality, they're built for long flights, work days, and daily commutes. Whether you're listening to music, editing videos, or taking calls, the WH-1000XM6 doesn't just play audio. It creates a personal world where distractions simply disappear. Ridge Wallet. Think your wallet is just a place to carry cash? Think again. The Ridge Wallet is built from premium aluminum or titanium, making it incredibly slim, insanely durable, and almost impossible to wear out. It holds up to 12 cards while blocking RFID thieves from stealing your personal information wirelessly. No more bulky pockets or stretched-out leather wallets. Whether you're commuting, traveling, or heading to work, this minimalist wallet keeps everything secure without the extra bulk. Once you switch to the Ridge Wallet, you'll wonder why you carried a thick, old-school wallet for so many years. It's a simple upgrade that feels surprisingly futuristic. FiXD Bluetooth OBD2 Scanner. That scary check engine light doesn't always mean an expensive repair, but most repair shops charge you just to tell you what's wrong. That's where the FiXD Bluetooth OBD2 scanner changes everything. Simply plug it into your car's OBD2 port, connect it to your smartphone, and instantly get easy-to-understand diagnostic reports instead of confusing error codes. It even warns you about potential issues before they become costly repairs and reminds you when routine maintenance is due. Whether you're driving across town or on a road trip, this tiny gadget gives you confidence every time you hit the road. For under $50, it's like carrying a professional mechanic in your pocket. Ember Mug 2. Ever get distracted for 5 minutes and come back to an ice-cold cup of coffee? The Ember Mug 2 makes that problem disappear. This smart mug lets you set your perfect drinking temperature through an app and keeps every sip just as hot as the first. No reheating, no wasted coffee, and no rushing to finish your drink. Whether you're working from home, gaming, or powering through meetings, your coffee stays exactly the way you like it. It's one of those gadgets that sounds unnecessary until you try it. After that, regular mugs just don't feel smart enough anymore. GilletteLabs Heated Razor. Imagine getting the feeling of a hot towel shave every single morning without ever stepping into a barber shop. That's exactly what the GilletteLabs heated razor delivers. With the press of a button, its warming bar heats up in seconds, giving you a smooth, comfortable shave that feels surprisingly luxurious. The waterproof design lets you use it at the sink or in the shower, while the magnetic charging dock keeps it ready whenever you need it. It's not just about removing facial hair, it's about upgrading your entire grooming routine. Once you've experienced a warm shave on demand, going back to a regular razor feels like a serious downgrade. Leatherman Wave Alpha. If there's one gadget every guy should own, it's the Leatherman Wave Alpha. At first glance, it looks like a regular multi-tool, but unfold it, and you've got 16 professional-grade tools ready for almost any situation. From a razor-sharp Magna-Cut blade and heavy-duty pliers to scissors, screwdrivers, and wire cutters, it's built to solve problems wherever you are. Whether you're fixing gear, tackling DIY projects, or handling unexpected emergencies, this compact tool can save the day in seconds. It's tough enough for everyday carry and reliable enough for years of hard use. Once it's in your pocket, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Meter Pro. Think grilling perfect steaks requires years of experience? The Meter Pro. Wireless thermometer proves otherwise. Just insert the completely wireless probe into your meat, and it sends real-time internal and ambient temperatures straight to your smartphone. The companion app even estimates the perfect cooking time and tells you exactly when to remove your food for the best results. No more cutting into steaks to check if they're done or serving dry, overcooked barbecue. Whether you're grilling, smoking, roasting, or baking, this smart gadget takes the guesswork out of cooking. It's like having a professional pitmaster guiding you every step of the way, right from your pocket. Shargeek 170 Power Bank. Most power banks are boring black bricks, but the Shargeek 170 looks like it came straight out of a sci-fi movie. Its transparent shell reveals the internal circuitry, while the smart digital display shows real-time charging speed, battery level, and power output. But this gadget isn't just about looks. With an impressive 170 watt output and a massive 24,000 mAh battery, it can fast charge laptops, tablets, cameras, gaming handhelds, and smartphones with ease. Whether you're traveling, working remotely, or creating content on the go, this futuristic power bank keeps all your devices alive. It's the kind of tech accessory that grabs attention before it even starts charging. Grillbot, automatic grill cleaner. Cleaning the grill is easily the worst part of every barbecue, but the Grillbot automatic grill cleaner does the dirty work for you. Just place it on your warm grill, press a button, and watch as its 3 powerful motorized brushes scrub away grease, burnt food, and stubborn residue automatically. While it cleans, you can relax, prep your next meal, or hang out with friends instead of scraping for 20 minutes. It's basically a robot vacuum for your grill. If you love backyard BBQs but hate the cleanup, this smart gadget will completely change your grilling routine, and you'll never want to clean by hand again. Garmin Instinct 3. Most smartwatches struggle to survive a busy week, but the Garmin Instinct 3 is built for people who push limits. Engineered to military-grade durability, this rugged smartwatch can handle hiking, camping, tough workouts, and extreme weather without breaking a sweat. Its bright AMOLED display is easy to read even in direct sunlight, while the built-in LED flashlight comes in handy when darkness hits. Track your heart rate, sleep, GPS routes, workouts, and recovery with incredible accuracy, all while enjoying battery life that lasts for weeks instead of days. If you're serious about adventure or fitness, this isn't just another smartwatch. It's a survival tool you can wear every day. DJI Neo, flying cinematic videos used to require expensive drones and expert skills, but the DJI Neo changes everything. Weighing less than 140 grams, this ultra-compact drone can take off directly from your palm with no controller required. Just choose a flight mode, and it automatically follows you, circles around you, or captures smooth 4K footage with impressive stability. Whether you're hiking, biking, traveling, or creating content for social media, the DJI Neo makes professional-looking aerial shots effortless. Small enough to fit in your pocket, but powerful enough to replace bulky camera gear, this is easily one of the coolest gadgets any creator can own in 2026. Insta360 X5. Most action cameras capture only what you point them at, but the Insta360 X5 records everything. Its dual lenses shoot stunning 8K 360-degree video, so you never have to worry about missing the perfect angle. Just hit record and decide the camera view later using the AI-powered editing tools. It even creates unbelievable third-person shots with the invisible selfie stick effect, without using a drone. Add waterproof protection, improved low-light performance, and rock-solid stabilization, and you've got one of the most advanced cameras on the market. Whether you're traveling, riding, or creating YouTube content, the Insta360 X5 makes every moment look absolutely cinematic. So, which of these gadgets is going on your wish list first? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this countdown, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications because we've got even more incredible tech coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.